What is Spyfu and is there a Spyfu free trial? Hi there, my name is Julius and I am from earningearners.com. In today's review, I'm going to talk about Spyfu. So, what is Spyfu? That's the keyword research tool that helps you spy on your competition, right? In other words, to helps you analyze competition in terms of your website or in terms of the keywords. So, in my video, I'm going to talk about how does it work, some pros and cons, its features, and if it is recommended. Let's dive in. How Spyfu works. So first of all, you will need to write here a keyword. Let's say we go for how to prepare for hiking. That's the keyword. I know that it's quite easy to rank. And what is Spyfu showing us? Monthly volume 90. This is regarding the number of searches done this past month across the US on the google.com, and 60 is estimated clicks should you achieve the SERP. What else is showing us this Spyfu result? You see that there is a section with similar keywords, some questions, also with additional numbers to it. So if I do change it, for example, and I do prepare for mountain hike, this is an interesting one. So if I click on this one, then I should be able to get different results, right? Monthly volume, so this one is a little bit better. What else is showing us this result? Basically, you can see them already here. There's the related keywords that we already shown. What is interesting feature is the ranking history. These are the results of ranking history. If I go with the how to prepare for hiking, here you can see within the last 6 months or 1 year, 2 years, how this keyword was ranking. You can see also the websites and some additional data. Of course, as you will go further with this Spyfu, you want to go for the paid membership and you will see much more results, but this is just for the free version. To be clear, this is just the free version results. For the rest, we have here also backlinks, SERP analysis, Google Ads advisor should you go for Google Ads, and I think that backlinks is something what you would also be interested in. Basically, Spyfu is giving you suggestions on which website you can link your blog post to having a higher chance to rank. So I think this is really tremendous stuff what they are doing. But again, I want to view more results. It has to be the paid option, right? We are just showing you the free results. So this is below the keyword research. For the another part of this great tool, you have also SEO research. But for this video, I'm going to show you interesting part that called combat. There you can basically put any domain, and this tool is going to automatically show the competitors for the domain, and you can see what they are using. I chose my domain what I'm using for my online business called Wealthy Affiliate. That's the platform I'm a member of. Just out of curiosity, you see the Spyfu already showed some of the competitors, and here you can see how does it work. Basically, if you will go and scroll over, there are some bubbles where you see that, for example, which are the shared keywords for domain called webguymarketing.com and Wealthy Affiliate. There are 77 keywords shared. Then among those two, how to pronounce niche.com and Wealthy Affiliate, there are 24. You can play a bit with it here to make the order different. So here are some data, right? All keywords, some questions, 1,000 questions. So this is approximately what you can expect when you go for the free version. However, obviously, there are much more results if you go for the paid version. That brings me to the other question, the initial question, is there Spyfu free trial? There is, as you can see, I just was showing you now stuff completely for free. I haven't paid on this website for anything, so this is really just what is available for free. You can go around, play with it, and see how does it work. There are two memberships inside. One is called Basic and second one is Professional. What is great about it is that you can try both of them for 30 days and with the money back guarantee. I think this is also tremendous stuff. Just try it out and you can see which one is fitting you better. If you just go here and show the pricing, the professional one, sorry, the basic one costs $33 a month. Should you go for the annual one, should you go for monthly one is 39, and the professional is 79 monthly and annually. Monthly 79 and annually is 58. So there's a big gap over there. Going to sign up now, you will get also this limited time offer, which includes Arrival Flow AI, and I think this is pretty amazing stuff. So the Spyfu creator also created a new platform called Arrival Flow AI. There you're going to get inside of your competitors with the help of AI tool. And if you're gonna use this, you will also get major discount on your Spyfu. Funny enough, if you decided that this Rival Flow AI is not for you, you have to try it first though, but if you decide it's not for you, you can just stop using Rival Flow AI and you can keep the Spyfu limited offer discount valid. So basically, as you see, if you go for basic plan from $39 to $9 a month, I mean, that's a really no-brainer. What are Spyfu pros and cons? On the pro side, I would definitely go for the free trial option. As I showed you before, you can really just play around with it and try it for free. I think this is amazing. Pro is number of features. If it is about SEO or PPC or competition insights, there is really a lot of features that you can have a great reports and you can really implement them, of course, in your campaigns. And the last one is affordability. I mean, you just seen how cheap, or let's say affordable, this keyword tool is, and with this present limited time offer, just $9 a month together with the Rival Flow AI, I mean, that's really no-brainer for me. And I don't know if this or how long this is gonna last, this offer, but you should really try. If you want to try it, you should really do it right now. What are some cons of it? I would say that especially if you are starting out, the results of this of the keyword research, what you will get, the reports and all of these numbers and diagrams and it can be a little bit overwhelming. I can imagine. I was also there when I started. I wanted just really the pure, simple results, and there are still keyword research tools which offer this simple yet very comprehensive, detailed, and important results. So you can also opt for some different ones. There is also a recommendation below in my subscription, but if you know where to look for, and as longer as you will use this Spyfu, you will also get used to it. What are these all numbers meaning? And you can just pick up those which are really important for you. But I think that this might be a little small con for someone who is starting. Not big one though, because as I said, you can just learn how to use it as you go. And another small flaw is that there are just only Google results. I mean, again, small con because nowadays Google is covering almost the whole internet. On the other side, should there be some Bing lovers or Yahoo or other search engines, you can say, okay, that can be disappointed for you. But the percentage of people who are not relying on Google is very small, so just small con for those people. Finally, would I recommend Spyfu? Definitely. I mean, there is really no brainer. Even without this Rival Flow AI, which personally I haven't tried it, so I cannot tell you if it is good one or not. But even without it, the price is just super great. $33 a month, comparing to, for example, SEMrush, which is 3 times so expensive, and you definitely the results what you get are definitely not lower quality here on Spyfu. That's for me no brainer. And with a special limited offer, $9 right now, where you can keep the price even if you decided to not use Rival Flow AI. I mean, that's not really no brainer. However, if you would like to continue your online journey and you want to learn brighter scale of digital marketing, then subscribe below. to platform what I'm using, and there is jaxi.com as a keyword tool included in your membership. You can start this journey also for free, and you will learn how to monetize your website. So if you are interested in starting your digital marketing journey, all included, click below, join me, and we take it from there. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe. The button below, share, like it, and until the next one. Cheers.